Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so I do have some more spoilers for the July Ipsy GlamBag Plus box. Now we already know a couple of things that are going to be in the box, but I do have some more to show you. So of course, again, this is the upgraded subscription, and I will go ahead and tell you what we already know about, and then I'll show you the new ones. So first we know about the Pure Lease Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. Now I do not have a picture of this item yet, but it should be interesting. And next, you already know about the Huda Beauty, the 3D highlighter palette, and this is going to be in the shade Pink Sands, and that might be a variation. I'm not exactly sure. Next is the Pixi by Petra Glow Mist. Now for the two new items that they just revealed. First one is the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Waterfall Glow Cream, and then next is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated, and as always, Ipsy will be linked below if you want to go check them out. Also guys, if you would, make sure your bell is on, that way you are notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.